dong.
Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Okay, in this session, we will discuss about the coronavirus. But let us introduce ourselves. My name is Fani Ariprasetya. And
My name
next,
is Fajar Eva Saada.
next,
My name is Firdausya Ros Novia Putri.
next.
And my name is Enggar Maulana Ardiansyah.
And we are of Group C. Okay, now we enter to the discussion. I want to ask, what about the coronavirus and what about the current situation? Firdausya, can you explain your opinion?
Okay, I think in my own, the coronavirus itself is a small particle that can spread quickly and it can even spread through the air. And the current situation is very unbearable that need more concern.
Okay, thank you. Next, Enggar.
So, in my opinion, coronavirus or COVID-19 is a respiratory illness caused by a new form of coronavirus. This virus can spread from person to person very fast. The current situation, I think it is very dangerous. When we take a look on the COVID-19 data, there are many people dead because of this virus.
Okay, thank you, Enggar. Next, Fajar.
I think coronavirus is a virus that spread very fast, like Firdausya. And the condition that I know now is that people keep their distance from each other, but still don't implement the policy. Okay, enough.
Okay, thank you, Fajar. And my own, coronavirus or COVID-19 is a virus that attack the respiratory system. And the current situation is really apprehensive. Many people has contract and not a few is dead. So this cause panic and fear for the whole community. All activities are hampered like works and school. Also, economic is hampered too. Okay, next session is I want to ask uh, if you a governor, what a policy that you choose to minimize the spread of the coronavirus? Okay, Firdausia, you first. Yes, time is yours.
Okay, I think if I'm a governor, the policies to minimize the spread of coronavirus that I make is social distancing. Social distancing is very important. So before I implement this policy, it is very necessary to inform the public first about the purpose of this policy so that the public can understand, obey, and cooperate. And the purpose of this policy is to break the chain of spread of the coronavirus. Why is so important? It is because the virus spreads quickly, as I said before, and can even spread through the air. So that if there is a gathering of many people, then the rate of transmission is also higher. Social distancing is also very effective because people can still do their activities as usual with one condition that they have to wear masks, always carry hand sanitizers, always maintain cleanliness, and keep a distance from each other for at least 2 meters. So this policy also includes physical distancing. I think it's for from my own opinion.
Okay, thank you, Firdausia. Next, Enggar, time is yours.
Okay, I think if I become a governor, I think I will apply physical distancing. It is maybe look almost same like social distancing, but it is different. Like what I said previously, this virus can spread from one person to other person. So when we do physical distancing, we are not gonna like interact very close with other people, even, but we are can still doing social interaction using like maybe like right now we are doing online, but we and I think by physical distancing is very like good step for reducing the people who will get infected by coronavirus. I
Okay,
think
thank you, Enggar. And next is me. If I a governor, I will make a policy to reduce the spread of the coronavirus, which is independent quarantine at home. Quarantine is used to protect someone who may be exposed to COVID-19 from another person. Someone in quarantine remains spread from others, and they limit their movement outside their home or current place. Someone may have been exposed to the virus without realizing it, for example, when traveling or going out in the community, or those who can have the virus without having symptoms. Quarantine helps limit the further spread of COVID-19. Okay, now from me. Next, Fajar.
Okay. So if I become a governor, I will impose a lockdown system because in my opinion, I think a lockdown policy really needs to be done. If there is one city affected by the coronavirus to be temporarily to close or implement a lockdown policy in the city. The goal or the purpose is to minimize the spread of the coronavirus, and the neighboring city is expected to help in terms of the economy, medical device, and others. And don't forget to pray for us. Um, I take the example of case such as in the city of Wuhan, China. The government imposed a lockdown policy for the city of Wuhan only, and it is effectively applied there and greatly minimize the spread of the coronavirus. Remember, I say lockdown are only in cities which have been hit by coronavirus outbreak. Well, when it when it comes to issuing such a policy, I think don't forget to give an explanation like to Russia to understanding uh, uh, give an explanation to the public about implementation of the policy and the purpose or the goal. I think. Yeah.
Okay, enough.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Next is if you have other policies, you can tell us, and if you want to comment about can comment too.
Okay. I want to ask the Fajar. Uh, in the situation now is coronavirus has already spread in every city in Indonesia. So your policy is it means to lockdown in Indonesia, around Indonesia, because the coronavirus is already spread.
Okay, maybe Enggar, Fajar have another comment.
I wanna evaluate. Uh, I wanna evaluate for Firdausia argument. However, if the policy is implement social distancing, I think it's very easy to transmit the virus very quickly, very fast. So I think that policy is very dangerous. Maybe.
But I want to give comment to like Firdaus ya to Fajar policy. If Indonesia make a lockdown, this will make the economy worse because of what all activities will be stopped completely. Indonesia is a developing country and also an archipelago, so the logistic supply for the people will definitely not be optimal. This will make this country worse. It is possible that if people to not have something to eat, it is not possible that flu will occur everywhere. Okay. Okay.
Yes, I agree with Fani Ari. Uh, Even the government give the aid such as rice, egg, or oil, it is not enough
Yes.
if we use the lockdown policies.
The, uh, okay, I
Yeah.
wanna. Uh, but I wanna retell again. I choose lockdown because I take the example of city, uh, the city of Wuhan, China, because the government imposed a lockdown policy for the city of Wuhan. Is that is it is that effectively applied there, and maybe in Indonesia like that. But if you have a problem with their policy, maybe you can uh, mm, maybe you can give opinion very strong for me, and then next we go to conclude the
Um,
Okay.
Yes.
That's
I
good.
understand your argument, but in fact, Indonesia, the economy of Indonesia is not good. Not same with
mm,
China.
mm,
So if we choose the lockdown, it will make bad for Indonesia. My opinion. Maybe
yes.
Enggar have other argument.
Yeah. I want to like give some addition for further Eva opinion. And you said that uh, city of Wuhan in China is mostly people who are infected by coronavirus by doing lockdown to their city. I I think it is not just the lockdown itself. There are also many of like policy they uh, apply in the city to reduce the uh, the infection of people. Like let's say uh, physical distancing. It is also important because if you see on there are almost no people crowded in the street in the city or even in the mall. or market because they know if this coronavirus is also can spread from person to person. That's why physical distancing is also important to reduce
Okay, thank
the
you.
spread.
Okay, thank you, Enggar. Because the time is enough, we direct to conclude
Conclusion.
about our discussion. Maybe Pia have a
I agree with Engel with physical distancing policy, but we need social distancing too, I think. So
Mm,
we can we can do activities as usual, but in one condition. I take example for restaurant. We can buy for the food and eat the food at home. I think it's for me.
yes. Maybe the conclusion of Firdausia is same like us. Yes or not?
Yes.
I think
Yes.
Are you agree?
uh,
yes.
All?
okay, okay,
I
I
I
agree
think
agree
so.
because
for
I
your
think that
statement.
yes. Okay, maybe we can close the discussion now. Thank you for all. Wassalamualaikum
Yes.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.